We're in Covina in Southern California. Today is August 1st, 2013. We are approaching two cell phone towers within 20 feet of one another that are disguised as palm trees. It is on the corner of Sunflower and Arrow Highway. And we are approaching them now. We have our EMF analyzer turned on. You're going to start hearing the pulsations coming from these towers now.
There they are.
And the towers are right here to my left. They are monster towers, disguised stealthily.
Oh.
They're behind a Jiffy Lube here. Again, it's on the corner of Sunflower and Arrow Highway in Covina. And everyone that stops here at this signal is being absolutely irradiated with microwave frequencies. There's also another stealthily disguised palm tree right across the street behind this Shell gas station in a shopping mall. So there are three massive towers within a short distance of one another. And the pulsations of radiation and the location of these towers are going to take out all of the inhabitants that work here at these businesses, as well as the adjacent townhome project that is right behind the two cell phone towers that are located within about 20 feet apart. We're getting ready to make the turn now, and this will illustrate how the frequencies will be heard again on our frequency analyzer. And you can see both of the cell phone towers right now. These are being deployed all over the nation. This is a silent weapons, quiet wars system using frequencies instead of bullets. Make absolutely no mistake. The intention of a silent weapons system is to reduce the vitality of the people and to make the people ill. And many of the associated illnesses that people have been complaining about and have been experiencing from the smart meters is exactly what people are feeling from these cell phone towers. This is a wireless dog fence around our nation. These cell phone towers are along all freeways. They're on roads. Everywhere you go, you need to go to antennasearch.com, and I was going to turn around right here. Okay. So I'm going to do that here in a moment. But you can go to antennasearch.com and you can pull up the cell phone towers nearest your homes in your communities. These are weaponized. Go to stopthecrime.net and read the Silent Weapons for Quiet Wars document. It's only 44 pages. It was a document that was adopted in 1954 by the Bilderbergs at their first meeting in the Netherlands. And it is a declaration of war upon the civilian population. And when you go to the definition of the quiet weapons system and you read about the intention to use a biological weapons system on us, you will see frequencies are part of this system. The frequencies are also part of the ultimate plan for mind control. Go to stopthecrime.net to the mind control link and understand exactly what the NSA facility is really going to do. That is that 1 million square foot data collection center in Bluffdale, Utah, and there are other centers as well. You need to understand the silent weapons system that has been deployed on all of us. We're passing these towers again right now. And we're forced to stop here at a red light where we are being radiated by these towers. And I can tell you that this is intentional. They know exactly what they're doing. And also, where you would normally be able to see the San Bernardino mountain range directly ahead of us right now, you can only see the low-lying foothills directly ahead of us. The mountain range is completely obscured from our vision because of the heavy chemtrailing that we have observed here on August the 1st in San Dimas and in Covina. Another extremely important thing that I must get out to everybody in the country. What is happening right now in all of our planning departments is they are agreeing to a climate action plan and an energy action plan. And this is requiring all smart meters to be deployed and for all homes to have energy efficient appliances. The opt-out that many people worked very hard to accomplish in California and other locations as well is an appeasement only. It is only an appeasement. We are going to be required to have smart meters and smart appliances. This is in all of the energy efficient plans. This has been stealthily brought into our cities through the back door, and that is through the planning departments. Yesterday, on July the 31st of 2013, we went to San Marino, which is adjacent to Pasadena, which is also the home of Caltech and JPL, aka NASA, and we picked up the climate action plan, or as they call it there in San Marino, the energy efficiency plan. And we also went to Covina nearby and picked up their energy efficiency plan, as well as San Gabriel. And we looked online at the energy efficiency plan of Pasadena. The people behind this plan are the international bankers, NASA, Goldman Sachs, the CIA, the FBI, the Department of Energy, as well as many major universities, along with the military, because this is a military deployment of frequencies up on all of us. Go to the NASA war plan on stopthecrime.net, and you will see that they are using frequencies to low pulsed frequencies as indicated in the Army document, the Fort Meade Army document. We have that on our website on stopthecrime.net under source documents. We also have smartmetersmurder.com. You can link to that from stopthecrime.net. And you can listen to Dr. Barry, or I should say scientist Barry Trower, YouTube, in his discussion about the weaponized deployment and locations of these cell phone towers. It is absolutely urgent that everyone refuse the smart meters on your homes. Do whatever it takes. Do not allow a biohazard on your home. We learned when we looked at the Energy Action Plan yesterday that it is being financed by our utility company here in Southern California, which is Southern California Edison, under the auspices of the California Public Utility Commission. They're all in bed. They're all lined up. They're all corporate agencies under the mother corporation of USA Inc. The United States has been taken by foreign banks and mega corporations posing as a legitimate government, and it is not. We are being absolutely put upon by the silent weapons system. Again, the silent weapons for quiet wars is a policy by the international bankers of slavery and genocide. Please go to stopthecrime.net and read this document. Get this out to everybody. Put stickers and other things on your vehicles. We are the media. Put large magnetic signs on your cars for everybody to go and read the Silent Weapons Quiet Wars document. You can pull it as a PDF, but whatever you do, please get this document out. This is what this system is of frequencies. And if you go to stopthecrime.net and you go to the mind control link, you will see the latest White House government document. It's only 13 pages. They are creating a fence of frequencies around the United States. Go to the Mind Control tab and take a look at this 13-page document. I'm driving now. I'm in quite a bit of traffic. This is extremely, extremely urgent that everyone get this out. We'll be putting this up on YouTube as quickly as we possibly can to get this out to everyone. But I want the camera to scan across the sky right now. We're under a very, very thick vellum of geoengineering. This has been said in the NASA documents to have reduced sunlight by 20% globally. This is why our trees are dying all over the globe. This is also preparing toxic soil because of the pH change that will only allow for GMO seeds, Monsanto seeds, to grow. We are being poisoned intentionally. This is mass pollution being created. And I can tell you another very, very important document on stopthecrime.net is the Iron Mountain report. This report, we're going by another cell phone tower. We just picked it up on our analyzer. We just heard it. While we can't see it because it's disguised, we hear it. We keep our analyzer on as we're driving so that we can hear how close these cell phone towers are located. But they're disguised as trees. They're disguised as telephone poles with a flag on it. They're even in mobile gas station signs hidden so that you don't even know that they are there. In church steeples, they're even created as yuccas in the desert so you don't realize that they're not a real cactus, but that they are yuccas. This is a stealth deployment. So I urge everybody, go to your building departments and find out the additional back door. Just as they have back doors in all of the computer applications, they have back doors into everything. This has been a well thought out, well organized collapse of the United States, and we're witnessing it at Mach speed now. And so please do your homework and listen to some of the other YouTubes that we have posted on our site. We're in tremendous danger. Thank you very much.